How to make a man miss you deeply. These days, it's easy to meet people, but rare to meet someone who becomes unforgettable. Especially when it comes to love or a man you're starting to like. Maybe you're together, maybe you used to be, or maybe you never were, but there's a connection you both feel. It's only natural to want him to miss you. Not just think of you randomly, but miss you deeply. The kind of missing where, no matter how busy he is, no matter how many people surround him, it's still your name that lingers in his mind. So, how do you make that happen? It's not magic, but there are ways to make your presence felt so deeply in his life that even in your absence, you're still very much there. Here are 5 powerful ways to make a man miss you, not just for a moment, but with the kind of longing only you can fill. 1. Leave an emotional impact. If you want a man to miss you deeply, you need to spark emotions only you can evoke. Being physically present all the time isn't enough. You need to create moments that stick with him. Like an inside joke only you two understand, or a night where you opened up about dreams, fears, or memories that no one else gets to hear. Every time you make him feel something, joy, peace, excitement, or being truly seen, you carve a space in his heart. It's not just what you say, but how you make him feel that he'll keep coming back to. The more connected he feels to you emotionally, the more he'll feel your absence when you're gone. 2. Don't give all your time. A lot of women think that being constantly available is the way to be missed, but in truth, it's the opposite. A man values your presence more when it's not always guaranteed. Show him that you have your own life, your goals, your passions, your happiness that doesn't rely on him. When you're not always online, not always the first to reply, he'll start wondering, where is she? What is she up to? That sense of mystery and independence creates a powerful pull. It makes him want to reach out, to reconnect, to chase. Because longing begins where certainty ends. 3. Make simple moments unforgettable. It's not about grand gestures. Sometimes, it's the little things that stay, like remembering the details he didn't expect you to, wishing him good luck before a big presentation, or messaging him, take care, when it suddenly rains. When you show sincere thoughtfulness, when you're the one who notices things others miss, that's when you stand out. Out of all the people around him, you're the one who made him feel seen, supported, and understood. And when you're no longer around, he'll miss the quiet comfort of your presence. The kind that doesn't need to shout, but is always felt. 4. Glow up while he's not around. One of the most powerful ways to make him miss you is to keep growing, even without him. Not to prove a point, but to show that your life doesn't pause when he's not there. When he sees you glowing, physically, emotionally, mentally, he'll begin to wonder what changed and why you look even more complete than before. That curiosity can lead to realization. She was even more special than I thought. Your self-growth is a reflection of self-love, and to a man with genuine feelings, that kind of beauty is magnetic. He'll miss not just who you were with him, but the version of you he no longer has access to. 5. Just be yourself, nothing more, nothing less. In the end, the most powerful way to be missed is to be completely, unapologetically yourself. You don't need to pretend, compete, or become someone else to be loved. In a world full of masks and filters, a woman who is honest with her emotions, capable of loving without expectations, and stands firmly in who she is, that kind of woman is rare. And what's rare is what people remember. You don't have to force being the best option. When you naturally bring peace, fun, and depth into his life, you become irreplaceable. And when you're no longer part of his daily routine, he will truly feel your absence. He'll miss you not just for what you did, but for who you are, the kind of woman who's one of a kind.